Machine learning-based Korean language learning service. In this presentation, we will introduce Mirinae, talking about its main business model, including three main products: Mirinae Explorer, browser extension, and lessons, and describes our core technologies. Mirinae is an educational technology startup making innovative learning tools based on advanced machine learning. Our first product is an exploration-based assistant for learners of the Korean language that enables learning opportunities wherever Korean is encountered. Our team includes Silicon Valley and Korean startup veterans with exit experience, language teaching experts, and a deeply experienced team of engineering and experts in the field of language learning, marketing, design, and so on. Let's begin with how our business has started. As you might know, learning Korean is very challenging. Here are over 80 conjugations of the verb 모르다, to not know, which shows the difficulty. Adding to this challenge is a large number of learning resources that do not work well together. Understanding the meanings and grammar in a sentence can take days. You might start with a translation site, then hunt through dictionaries and grammar books, and even then need to post a question to a Q&A site. This makes it difficult to use Encounter's Korean as a learning opportunity. Mirinae Explorer does all of that for you in one go. Just give it a text you want explained, and it will give you a complete breakdown of all the words and particles and conjugations, explain the grammar patterns, and the phrase structure to show how sentences are formed. Explorer can be accessed through a responsive website as an AI-based study aid. Anything in the display can be clicked for more details, like grammar definitions, example uses, pronunciation guides, and more. It is a full grammar textbook and dictionary accessed interactively through the text being explored. The Explorer mobile apps for iOS and Android are perfect for on-the-go learning, enabling any encounter with Korean to be a learning opportunity. A text explorer in the apps is saved for later study on the Explorer website. Explorer also comes as a browser extension that can be used for in-text learning on any website or video site. For video, it will identify Korean subtitles and allow them to be explored whenever the video is paused. The browser extension can be used as an intelligent reading assistant on any website, making encounters with Korean of interest rich learning opportunities. Mirinae Lessons complements Explorer by offering deep interactive lessons for any grammar studied in Explorer embedded in a comprehensive Korean language curriculum. This allows the learner to move freely between unstructured and structured learning modes. This lesson library covers not only formal grammar, but also Korean idioms and neologisms, both critical and often the most difficult for Korean learners, and usually missing from standard learning courseware and textbooks. We achieved these technologies by employing the latest machine learning-based natural language processing coupled to an associative pattern library to produce deep sentence explanations of a kind not previously achieved. The pattern library covers grammar, idioms, vocabulary, usage, and more. We have developed a core version of the library with over 500 patterns based on those defined by the National Institute of the Korean Language, and we will be continually updating it through curated crowdsourcing. Our users have been quite vocal, confirming that Explorer is both a unique and a desired offering. Here are some user comments. Where has this been my whole life? Oh my god, thank you. This is amazing, unbelievable. We are looking forward to meeting potential partners in machine learning, natural language processing, edutech, and gamification. We will expand the languages being taught from just Korean to other languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, Turkish, Finnish, French, German, and so on. We're very encouraged by the user response and excited to continue bringing our learning tools to market. Thank you very much for your attention.